Hey guys, Dan here from DansTube.TV, and today I have a side-by-side comparison between the budget GoPro Hero 2018, which was only just released, and the GoPro Hero 6 Black. So throughout this video I will have audio comparisons, I'll have comparisons of the footage side-by-side shot in 1080p at 30 frames per second, and then I'll have some full screen shots from both the Hero 6 and the budget GoPro, just so you can make the final decision whether the GoPro Hero 6 Black is worth that extra money. You'll have to let me know in the comments below what you think of these two cameras, so let's jump into it. Before I jump into this video, I wanted to let you guys know that I purchased the budget GoPro Hero from Harvey Norman Capella Bar, and they actually did a really good job for me. They gave me a great deal with a micro SD and some accessories. So if you're in the area in Capella Bar, make sure to go down to Harvey Norman, mention that you saw a DansTube.TV video, and I'm sure they'll give you a fantastic deal. If you are interested though in a higher end product, like the GoPro Hero 6 Black, then they have lots of different financing options, including a brand new leasing option, perfectly named Leaser. So go in store and check them out. I will stop talking very soon, guys. I just want to get this out on the table. There is a really cool feature on the GoPro website. It's just gopro.com/compare. I will have the link in the description below, and you can click on their different cameras and actually compare what specs and features each camera has, and it's a really cool visual way to see what you're getting for the money that you're putting into it. So I'll be talking about the comparison between the Hero and the Hero 6 Black, but honestly I would really like this to be a discussion in the comments below. I know that the Hero 6 Black has significantly better stabilization, and it also has a significantly better color profile. It has some really cool color technology which just really enhances the image. They have a better processing chip in the Hero 6 Black, but I think that the images are actually really close, and for the price the budget GoPro Hero is actually a really good starting action camera. The budget GoPro can shoot in 1440p at 60 frames per second, and that's with stabilization on, while the Hero 6 can shoot 4K at 60 frames per second. The Hero 6 can shoot stabilization up to 4K at 30 frames per second, which is amazing, but it can't shoot the 60 frames per second with the stabilization on. So for all of these test shots throughout this video here, everything's been shot in 1080p at 30 frames per second, and stabilization has been enabled for both cameras. When it comes to photo capture, the budget GoPro can take 10 megapixel stills, while the GoPro Hero 6 Black can take 12 megapixel stills. And both of these cameras have the exact same design, the exact same body. Even the button layout is the exact same and in the exact same position, so that means that both of these cameras have the same waterproof body, which can take you down to 10 meters underneath the water, which is really great. That just works straight out of the box. You can still use audio, you don't have to worry about putting a case or anything around it, it's just waterproof out of the box. On top of that, they both offer voice controls, and I noticed that the Hero 6 was slightly faster, but besides that, the performance on both of them was actually really decent. Like I mentioned before, the Hero 6 Black actually uses their brand new GP1 chip, while the budget GoPro doesn't use that at all. Also, when it comes to stabilization, the budget GoPro uses a basic stabilization, which is very similar to the GoPro Hero 5 Black, which isn't fantastic, while the Hero 6 actually has a really awesome stabilization, which they've referred to as an advanced stabilization. The other thing that's slightly different is the Hero 6 is Karma compatible, while the budget GoPro isn't for some reason, even though it's the exact same body and everything. Obviously that's a marketing ploy to get people to buy the more expensive cameras. But anyway guys, I will have the link in the description below to compare these cameras here. So thank you so much for watching. I'm going to jump into the rest of the video now. Enjoy the music, have a fantastic day, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave me a comment below letting me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and peace out. This is an audio test or an audio comparison between the brand new GoPro Hero budget and the GoPro Hero 6. So what does the audio sound like? Is it still good? Can you hear me? Hello? What's the audio like? Let us know in the comments, please. Thank you. This is an audio test or an audio comparison between the brand new GoPro Hero budget and the GoPro Hero 6. So what does the audio sound like? Is it still good? Can you hear me? Hello? What's the audio like? Let us know in the comments, please. Thank you. This is some audio from the GoPro Hero, the budget GoPro. This is some audio from the GoPro Hero 6.